Hi guys, I'm going to have to do a redraw for the January sock yarn giveaway. So first off, I'm going to get the URL and then we're going to go across to random.org, put the code in, filter for duplicate users, and the word was socks. Do the little sum and then get the comments. 146 comments, so good luck guys. Good luck. Let's see who wins for the redraw. Giddy up. Love that socks yarn. Thank you, Linda. So giddy up, you are my winner. You have 7 days to contact me, and today's the 28th of January, so you've got until the 4th of February to contact me to claim your prize. So thank you everybody for taking part, and giddy up, and please email me your home address, and once again congratulations and thank you to everybody who took part in January's sock yarn giveaway. Take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.